How to show the music player on the lock screen, and this is for the Poco X7 Pro phone. If you have a song playing at the moment and you want it to show up on the lock screen so you can take control of your player, this is where you could go to do this. So let's just say you have a song playing at the moment and you're using an MP3 player. You'll go into the settings right here of your Poco X7 Pro phone. And once you're here, go down until you reach the privacy section, the one that just says privacy only, this one here. Once you're in this area here, you go down and you'll see the option that says show media on lock screen. Now I'll go ahead and press the power button so you can see that the song, the player is currently playing on the lock screen like this here. But when I disable this, I'm gonna turn it off. And when I come back here to view it, you'll notice that it's no longer there. So if you're looking to have your player on the lock screen, that would be the option to turn on so that you can control your player from the lock screen. And of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.